going back and forth in front of him a lot today. There you go. And now going into the wind, he's got a little more enthusiasm, a little more forward to him. Denny Emerson was saying on Facebook yesterday that when it gets windy like it is here all the time, his horses get edgy and uncomfortable. That's one of the things about our horses, man. They handle the wind. They're used to it. When they get somewhere where there isn't a lot of wind, they just are amazed. Good boy. And if you notice, his rhythm is not faster. He just is using a little more impulsion. He's a little brighter. He's a little happier since we aren't going into the wind. No, the dogs keep looking back. That tells me we have traffic. Easy. Good boy. Oh, a truck. Good boy. Teeny bit of a shy, and that was it. Oh, and he stopped, walked, and he's turning around. Nope, he's going off into the field. Nikki's gonna go over and lick him to death. All right, let's working trot. The dogs aren't off. Yes, there's that horrible looking thing. Is so scary looking. I am impressed that he is as non-shy of it as he is. Now we've picked up a little, we've had a couple of scary things, and he's picked up his rhythm just a little bit. I'm going to ask him to come back on his rhythm, but it's going to be a lot easier because we're going to be over in heavier ground. And the crop dusters are out this morning. Luckily they will stay over there, not over here. The wheat sure did like that little bit of a shower. Things I'm appreciating, since he can't duck his head like he was, he is going with a much straighter head and neck. He's not wanting to be bent off to one side or the other all the time. I say that just as he decides he's going to bend off to the left all the time. There you go. There you go. Call the neighbor and ask what they're planting where, so that I can make intelligent statements about it. Nope, 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 we're not going out there. Look at you, good boy. 2 weeks ago, that noise scared him but good. There's his buddy Amy. In general, the farmers make a path all the way around the outside of their crop on these crop circles so that they can check up on the crops easily. And I love it because it gives me a place to drive. I've had some of them say to me, well, I always know where you've been out driving because I can follow your tracks. Rabbits must be happy because there's green stuff coming up so that they have something to eat. What a good boy. Let's walk. What a good boy. Walk on. I'm going to call this a new moon walk, where everybody's just so relaxed. Within the next couple of days, everything will perk up again. Begins to wax. Meadowlarks. No, that's not meadowlark. That's a western kingbearer. See Tippy, but I know he's back there somewhere. Sometimes he just cuts straight across and he's home before we are. You're a good boy. Yeah. You ready to working trot? That's a good boy. Mickey? All right, I'm going to ask you for a slow trot. That's a boy. Slow trot's hard for these little ones to hold. That's right. That's right. Right there. Right there. Good boy. No. Slow trot. Working trot. What a good boy. What a good boy. I like to get him used to being rubbed all over with the whip so that if I need to use it for fly control, I can do that. Not too rough right through here to be able to make a couple of nice circles. Came around and hit that headwind and said, ugh, can't blame him. Look Look at you. Look at you. What a good boy. He's up there saying, what are you doing? Amy has learned to just stop and stand and wait. Okay, I'm done with the rough. Let's go over to the road.